Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, I know it's been a while. It's been a long while. I just was going through some shit. I really wasn't feeling like making videos and stuff, and it's a long story. But yeah, I am back. I'm not sure how often I'm going to be posting as much, but I am going to be posting again. Try to do maybe 2 to 3 videos a week if possible. But yeah, I did break down. I couldn't do it. I mean, I love the fact that I can hear the turbo sounds and everything, but I mean, it's just when I'm going on a ride and stuff, especially when I go like to meets to Lancaster and stuff, I mean, it gets kind of boring when you're by yourself in the car. So I broke down and put a radio in the car. Yes, I know. But yeah, I have it ran, and I do have it. Now I do have a radio. I mean, it's not that loud. I have one speaker there, one speaker over there. It's definitely not loud at all. But I mean, it's a little better than what I had, which was. That's all the way up. I mean, it's not too bad, but then because I just couldn't take it no more. I just couldn't take the fact that I had to keep charging the JBL speaker that I had. I mean, it was loud enough, but I mean, having to keep charging it every night and then it runs out throughout the day, it was just a hassle. So I said, fuck it, I'll just put a radio in there and call it a day. But I did cut, as you can see, I did cut the rear bumper just enough. I mean, nothing crazy. And I did paint I painted everything black, and then I painted the lower control arms the same color as the engine bay, pretty much. I did that. What else? Oh, and I did pull out. I pulled off the fog light covers that were here. I put on both sides, as you can see, to give it more of an aggressive race car look. The day before yesterday, come out, and I mean, at my house where I live at, there is no wires like how this is that would give a reason for birds to just sit up there and shit on my car. But I mean, I looked out my window and I seen bird shit all over my car, like if somebody just grabbed the bird and just literally squeezed the shit out of it. So I have to go wash my car later because I don't want that shit on there. I'm gonna see what I can do to the Accord to try and see what I can do to get it to stop sputtering somewhat, because it is really bad. Oh, I did start, since nobody wanted these wheels, since they were gold, I said screw it, and I did start to peel off the paint with aircraft paint remover and lacquer thinner, which, I mean, it did a good job, but it was taking a little while, stuff and whatnot. But my plans are to finish taking the paint off, repolish the lip, and repaint the face black like how they are now, black with the chrome lip. I'm gonna do them back to that because it looks more appealing to me. I think it looks more appealing because not many people like the gold. So oh well. Like, I mean, I don't know how I can't get rid of them. They are 5x1. I know they're not like the best looking wheels, but I mean, they're wheels. I was only asking $200 for them, so they all have pretty much all like new tires. Breaking shit, buddy.
The fuck?
You can do it. Coño! Alright, so Alex decided he wants to rip this off because, as you can see, It was literally scraping the ground. Haven't seen this guy in forever.
Yeah, been too long.
So what we about to do?
Muffler delete.
We're about to fuck some shit out. That's what we about to do. Alright, so yeah.
Fun.
Alex, we looked up a couple of videos and we kinda liked the way it sounded. Right there, microphone. We kinda liked the way it sounded. So we're gonna try and do a muffler delete, and we're not gonna weld the extra piping on just yet, but we're gonna eventually put an extension pipe and then with double tips. So where's the key? So this is the startup, but this is with the muffler on.
Can't even see the muffler, but you know. You see this?
Look at
Enormous.
that. Look at that. Burning the bumper. Burn his bumper off.
Look.
Now it's the startup with this off. See how loud it is. That shit sounds sick. Damn. Go ahead, take it down that way. Take it that way. Oh man, that thing sounds so nice. Alright, so we're done with the RL. Really didn't do nothing to the hatch. Just cleaned it out, but we got bored. Well, Alex got bored and decided he wanted to paint wheels, so I'm saying it's not too bad. These all just need tires. They just been sitting in the garage since God knows how long. Clean up, start putting everything back in the garage because I gotta get going. I gotta go pick my wife up from work because I got her car here. So, what are you gonna do?
Probably go home and clean.
I'm about to go cook. Go. I just wiped down the wheels. The Yankee life. But I'm about to go wash the car. My son just opened the door. Stay in there. Or finished it. Stop opening the door, please. Thank you. Funny guy, you funny guy. Well, today, really didn't do much other than just managed to get the speakers in this car and put the radio the right way, all set up really good and everything. So, really didn't do much today. Tried working on the Accord, tried a few things, checked all the hoses and everything, made sure that they were all good, no cracks or anything, but couldn't find anything that could be the problem. So, we did cut off Alex's muffler, and I mean, the thing sounds amazing. It really does sound really good. And other than that, we did paint the one wheel. Well, Alex painted the one wheel, and just to see what it would look like. It looks pretty good, not too bad. And I did manage to go and wash the car because it was filthy. Like, it was really bad. I vacuumed the floors, the seats, and everything. Made sure everything was nice and clean. And I did go and I washed the car. I washed all the crap off of the hood and everything. So, I mean, it looks really good now. So, nice and clean again. I'm going to end it here. I'm tired. I need to go take my ass to sleep. I woke up early, went to sleep late though. I'm gonna go edit this quick and try to get it posted up by tonight. If you like the video, hit the like button. Didn't like the video, still hit the like button. If you're new, subscribe. Bell down below. Not sure where it's at. It's been a while. Click that so you get notified. And comment down below whatever you want. I will catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.
I just wanna rollie with a dapper ass. I already got some designer to hold on my pants. I just want some ice on my wrist so I look better when I dance. I be looking